All right, guys, to get onto Launchpad, there's a few different ways. The easiest way that I can tell you to get onto it is to go to Students and Parents, go down to where you see Resources. And again, this is under fultonschools.org. It's our main webpage, and you're going to hit Resources. And then if you scroll down to where it says Area says Students, you're looking for this Launchpad, and that's where you're going to click. And this obviously is my Launchpad login, but your students right here is going to be their lunch number, and then right here is going to be their birthday. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now, a teacher's Launchpad is going to look a little different than the students, but we can go ahead and you might have to click to my app. Sometimes working on a different device. This is an Apple device versus a Dell device. It does change what you're doing. This is going to be your home center so that you can get Brain Pop Junior is what we work with our kids. McGraw-Hill, this is your math book. This HMH Central is iRead. I know it's confusing because it doesn't say iRead, but this is their iRead. Another good resource that they can get to is Safari Montage and Seesaw. Seesaw has to be set up for your child's homeroom teacher in order for that to work. I know a lot of times in other classes, such as Miss Shifley and Miss Bates's class, they use that, but we do not use it as much in second grade. But Safari Montage is good. Mac and Via is where they can look up books. But besides that, that's really what we're going to work on today is this Brain Pop, McGraw-Hill Mathematics, and Safari Montage.